To use the DeLonghi capsule coffee machine, please check that there is enough water in the tank and refill it if necessary. Place a cup under the spout to rinse the system. Press the button on the top panel. The buttons will start flashing while the machine heats up. When the flashing stops, press the button again. The machine will then start rinsing the system. Next, replace the cup with a coffee cup. Take a capsule and insert it into the capsule holder. Close the lid firmly until it clicks into place. Press the button on the top panel. The coffee machine will start preparing the coffee. Press the button again if you wish to stop the coffee preparation. After preparing several coffees, please remove the used capsules and empty any remaining water from the drip tray. Our team wishes you a good holiday.